welcome back to my channel, Luluyaafrika. So if you're new, kindly subscribe, and if you've been with us, like and share this video. So today I'm going to be doing something for my home. You guys always see me cooking using this cooking stones, but today I want to build a fireplace, a different one, so that I can be cooking from there. As you know, this one has also its own challenges, like sometimes it disturbs. So I want to build something unique, and you're going to see it. Keep watching. Let's go. Step number one is we are going to go and collect the soil to build this cooking stove. So we are going to leave home and go somewhere to get it. So follow me. Let's go. So I'm carrying my hoe. I'll be going with the hoe because I need to dig the soil. Asking yourself why I've left home farm this side in the garden to look for this kind of soil. It's because we don't use any kind of soil. There's a specific kind of soil you're supposed to use to mold. Otherwise, if you use any kind of soil, you find it cracking, and then the stove will get spoiled. So let me check this one if it's what I need. This soil is different. It's not like the soil at home. It's the soil of an ant hill. So we're going to use this because we can't get clay soil, and this one works as clay. It's like clay. So I'm going to dig this soil, then I'll carry it home. Let's start. I was supposed to bring a basin where to put the soil, and I forgot it. So let me go back and bring a basin. The good thing home is near. A moment. The soil you take depending on the size you're going to make, but I go with a lot so that you don't have to come back. What you can manage to carry. You put a lot, and if I to carry it, I don't know what you will do. basin is full, but I'm going to get more because I don't want to come back here. Let me try the other side as well. And put in this jerrycan. It's hot here. I'm already sweating. Now I have to carry my soil home. I'm done digging. So I have to carry my soil home and then we shall go to the next process. Okay, I think I'll take one by one because I have two containers. It's heavy. So, you guys, the soil is heavy, but finally it's here, and now we are going to our next process. But before we do anything else, we need water. We need water, so I'm going to bring water. So let me pour my soil here. I can get water in this basin. Let me pour it here because I'm going to put my cooking stove here. Let me pour it here so that I don't have to carry it again. Shift. Okay, let me bring water, guys. My water is here. So let me add more soil so that I mix at once. This soil looked like it was a lot, but now let's do that. So people take a hole in the middle. Because if you just pour water far, it will take the soil. So we put like a hole in the middle. And then pour water. We start mixing. As you're mixing, you press those big particles to become small. I like this one, you break it. When you mix and you feel your water is done and you still have soil, you add. Mix, mix. See my hand? If you have a spade, you can use a spade by the like the how you guys mix sand. You can also use sand to build your cooking stove, sand and bricks. So after mixing your soil well, like you can see, it is all mixed up. So we are going to start building our cooking stove. One is you need to first find a place where you're going to put it. Let me get a stick here. So I'm going to put mine here. So after making your soil, after making it into mud, you make the place where you're going to place the fireplace. You first make it wet, and after making it wet, then you can draw like the shape you want to make. So after drawing the shape you want to make, you start placing there the soil. So I'm going to get my soil. So you place there the soil according to the shape. This being the foundation, you need to put a lot because it's what will hold the fireplace. Place more. So you keep topping up. So it's good you smoothen it inside because you find that you want to be able to put your hand inside after making it. Remove all these ones which are falling off, put them on top. So we add step number 2. Keep adding up. Keep adding. Add. So you see this time round when I'm adding, I leave this space because this is where we shall put our firewood. So I'm leaving here. The next step, the second step, you don't add up to here. You leave this space. Continue adding. So let's first smoothen inside. Get some little water, don't put a lot. Also remember this soil is not dry. You can keep adding more inside because the space inside needs to be not to be very big. Smoothen. So that's so far what we have done. We are going to do the filling outside. So I'll leave that for now, and now we first do the finishing. If this was a house, we call it finishing. So we are going to shape it well outside for it to look good. Touch in water, but not a lot. Because when you put too much water to make it fall, since it is not a dry, you see what I'm doing? It's wide down, and on top it's not that wide, because it has to be something where saucepans can fit. And the reason why it is wide down, so it's for it to be able to hold saucepans. You know, the foundation has to be firm. I don't know if you can see, or my hair is covering. You can tell us if you have such kind of fireplaces in your village or your place where you stay. Comment with your country or place where you stay, and tell us if you have this kind of fireplaces there. You see, the way how you leave it is the way it is going to dry. If you leave it when it is not smooth, it will dry when it is not smooth with the cracks. So that's why you have to ensure that it is smooth. So that's how far now. So then our next step is we are going to put the stones where the saucepans will be sitting. So you get some mud and shape it like this, then place it, mud. So you do the same, make them well. Touch in water, smoothen. Don't put a lot of water. Wow, wow. See how beautiful it is. I love it already. So this is where you put your firewood. Then you put your saucepan on top. Even a small saucepan can fit here. See? And even a big one will sit here. So I've made like a small size, but you can make a bigger one depending on your needs, or you can make even a smaller one. Then actually some of you use charcoal. For me, I've made this because I use firewood to cook, but then some of you use charcoal. So if you use charcoal to cook, like when you're putting mud, you reach a certain step, like maybe here, you put that wire. I don't know how to call it, but you can get some wires you put in the middle for the charcoal to be on top. You put it, then you continue adding mud. Still it can work if you're using charcoal. And then some of you will be saying, now for me, my compound, we don't have gundi, we have put a pavement, so it has flour. What you do, you first put down this same mud. You first put down mud, you lay ground for it, then make the fireplace. So you can make it anywhere, it doesn't matter. And this soil is easy to get. It is easy to get. So for today, I may not be able to show you when it has dried up because it takes some time. I'm going to leave it to dry. It takes some time. So I'll be showing you in my other videos when it has dried. Maybe you see me cooking using it. So keep following for you to see more and more. Thank you for watching. Bye.